To connect MongoDB to Vercel, start by heading to your Vercel project dashboard and clicking the Storage tab. You'll see the MongoDB Atlas integration page appear. Click the Install button to start the integration process. This kicks off the setup wizard. Now you'll see configuration options for your database cluster. Use the drop-down to select your cluster tier. The M0 sandbox is the free option and works great for development. Then pick the region closest to your users from the region selector. Next, you'll see a database name field. Vercel generates a name automatically, but you can replace it with something more descriptive if you want. Click Continue. The wizard will show you a Done button. Click that to finalize the database creation. This sets up your complete MongoDB Atlas cluster and handles all the user permissions and network access automatically. Now you'll see a project selector. Choose which Vercel project you want to connect this database to, then click the Connect Project button. To verify everything's set up correctly, open your Vercel project settings. Click Settings in the navigation, then click Environment Variables in the left-hand menu. You should see MongoDB URI listed there, that's your connection string, and it was added automatically by the integration. If you're developing locally, you can pull down that environment variable by running the Vercel CLI command to download all your project's environment variables. It creates a DENV local file with your MongoDB URI in it. The integration also handles network access automatically. Vercel uses dynamic IP addresses for deployments, so Atlas configures the access list to allow all IPs without any manual setup needed. A database user is automatically created in the format Vercel admin, your resource name, with full read-write permissions across all databases.